You will hear sometimes kids can be so mean, and in some ways it really is true. But this week's Harris Hero took a playground experience and really made a difference.
That's a neat story. It started with kids teasing her brother, and it turned into the idea for her to teach other children about autism. Here's Steve Harris.
This story begins on a playground. The main character is 11-year-old Paige Morgan.
Hey buddy, how was school today?
That's her right there, with her older brother Adam. Adam has autism. So back when she was 7 years old, she was playing here and she heard some kids making fun of her brothers. It really upset her. When she got home, she talked to her mom about it.
You know, I calmed her down and I just said that I didn't think that the kids really understood what was going on. They were 7 years old, and I thought this was a good teachable moment. And I said, you know, honey, I could come in and talk to the kids, but I really think it would be better if it came from you.
They got so excited and they wanted to do something about it. They wanted to become friends with people with disabilities, but they just didn't know how to do that. What you watching, buddy?
So Paige had an idea to find a book that could help the kids at school.
We sat in that office and we perused the internet to try to find a book about school. Couldn't find one. And she looked at me and said, well, that does it. We have to write a book, and left my office.
And that's exactly what she did. Inspired by Paige, Rachel wrote this book. It's about helping school children interact with classmates with autism. And at the age of 8, Paige wrote the introduction.
This book really helped some of my friends realize that people with special needs just need some help sometimes.
From playground to paperback. The story of a little girl who changed hearts.
Don't be afraid to ask someone with special needs or someone that's sitting by themselves, hey, you want to come play with us? Because they're really neat people once you get to know them.
Steve Harris, News 4.
Wow, wise beyond her years. That's a story worth telling. I'm glad Steve Harris found it.
Yeah, no doubt. And that's a good lesson for kids to learn. If they have not interacted with those who are different from them, jump right in.
Exactly. The CBS News